Hi, I'm Brian Frank, and this is my second video blog for Rec 3202, Section 2. So, the activity was fun to try because it allowed me to combine different elements of the walk into one image, and I like that because otherwise they would have been separate experiences. What I liked about the activity was that there were several color options for text. What I didn't like was how the software was really sensitive to cursor movements and I accidentally resized images a few times. Overall, the activity did meet my challenges because the software had a learning curve, but the pictures were actually a bit easier to pick out. So now I'm going to show a screen recording of my first experience with the scrapbooking software. So I'm going to start by opening iCollage here. So now I have this blank page. So I'm going to start by adding a background image, which I can do like this. So I have four pictures on my desktop, and I picked them out in advance because I knew I would be working with them. So this one is just a picture of parchment paper that I found on Google Images. So by selecting the picture and then going down here to the toolbar in iCollage, I can actually make that picture my background. And now I have two of them. So I figured it out earlier, and since I don't want two of them, I just want this for the background. I actually need to delete this one with the trash can icon like that. And now I have a nice background that I can add pictures on top of. So next, I'm going to add another picture from a nature walk that I went on the other day. And I'm going to start with this picture of a squirrel that looks like it's holding its hands out over something. So with this little wheel here, you can drag right to left to increase and decrease the size of the picture. And you can also rotate it the same way you can do on an iPhone. So I'm going to leave that one there. Next, I'm going to add another picture. This one is of two geese from the same walk. And I want this one to be a little bigger, so I'm gonna, drag it until it's about that big. And I'm gonna move it up a little bit. And I think this could use at least one more picture for now, so I'm going to use this picture of this goose that was about to take off, and I've accidentally messed the first picture, but there, I fixed it. Okay, so now I have this picture of the goose that's taking off, and I can move that around and resize it. So this one needs to be a bit smaller, and I'm going to put it down here and try to straighten it like that. Lastly, I'm going to add a small caption for now. So in this text box here, I'm going to say something like, my nature walk. And I can change the font color to blue, which is my favorite color and looks a bit better, and I can move that up there. So this is kind of my first experience with iCollage and digital scrapbooking, and I think I did okay.